The importance of colors. Wow! How much there is to say about color and how little so many artists know about it. Some even think that knowing the theory may slow down or interfere with creativity. For us, 3D visual artists, that sounds a bit like saying I don't have to know how to use Blender to make my 3D art. Can you imagine? Good luck! Listen carefully to this short video to find out how important it is to know how colors work on you and on others. To start with, color comes from light. Without light, there is no color. On that, watch also my other short video on the importance of light. So, the light hitting an object gets partially absorbed depending on its color. The remaining part is then reflected and transmitted to the chromatic receptors inside the human eye. They convert this light into impulses that run through the nerve pathways until they reach the brain. The brain then interprets them, and so a chromatic perception is born. As you can see, from the biological point of view, the color is generated in the eye of the observer and conjures up a sensory impression. You might wonder, why do I need to know all this stuff? Well, you must know, if you haven't realized yet, that distinct colors can generate different sensations. And this is where you, as a visual artist, must put your attention, because colors equal emotions. Emotions that start from you, that you want to convey, or emotions that you wish to arise in others. Want to know more? Hey guys, I am Massimo Cozzi from Aida Communication. I'm an expert in communication, video editing, TV producing and 3D modeling. Click on this link below to let me know you are interested, and I will make sure to tell you when the course starts. Have the best 3D!